Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to set up LinkedIn for job search full mobile guide. First, open the LinkedIn app and make sure you are logged in. Next, what you're gonna do is tap on your profile icon and then tap on your profile photo. Then add a professional photo and a headline and a summary that describes your skills. After that, scroll down to open a work. Go to find a new job, add your preferred roles, locations and types, then choose it if you want to recruit to everyone who sees it. Follow the companies you're interested in and tap jobs for new openings. Privacy tip: go to settings, visibility, profile viewing options to switch to private mode when checking out others' profiles. Quick fix: if the job alerts aren't working, turn on notification job alerts in LinkedIn app, update the app or log out and back in to refresh your feed. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast LinkedIn